What if you could carry your essentials, cards, cash, maybe even a small tool in a pouch that's slim, built tough, and quietly stealthy? This is Quick Hit Essential EDC, and this is the Alpaka zip pouch. It's my perfect pouch for my EDC, and it might be for yours. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, flashlights, wallets, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. The Alpaka zip pouch is a compact and minimalist pouch designed for those who carry just enough. It's 13 centimeters by 8.5 centimeters and weighs around 40 grams. It's made from weatherproof fabric with AquaGuard zippers and RFID blocking material. It's built to live in your pocket, sling or bag without getting in the way. Let's break it down and see what sets it apart. The exterior uses x-pac VX21, a premium, lightweight, weatherproof technical material designed for durability. High quality AquaGuard water-resistant zippers keep your small items safe. The RFID blocking material protects your cards and data from digital skimming, a nice carry security bonus. At around 40 grams and the size of a small wallet, it slips into your everyday carry setup without adding bulk. The internal divider allows you to separate cards and notes from smaller items, simple but effective. It's incredibly versatile. While small, it has enough space for things like 4 to 6 cards, folded banknotes, keys, coins, or in my case, a small EDC tool, a flashlight, and plenty more. And worth noting for the sustainability-minded EDCer, Alpaka state that this fabric is 100% carbon neutral. Why does it work for EDC? Well, it drops into pockets or bags easily. Unlike bulky pouches, this one remains flat and unobtrusive. It organises your small carry essentials, cards, cash, coins, small tools, the real just-in-case items you want in one place. Quality build means long-haul use, premium materials, strong zippers. This isn't a throwaway pouch. It has a versatile carry style. It works as a minimalist wallet, a small travel pouch, or part of a larger EDC bag or kit. It's ideal for urban and travel-aware carry when you want to carry lighter but still keep your essentials protected and organised. A couple of things to consider: because it's minimalist, you won't fit bulky items or larger tools. It is not a full gear organiser. Although very reasonably priced for the quality at £20, the price point is higher than other basic pouches, but you are paying for premium materials and design. Who is it for? Well, EDCers who want a refined, high-quality carry solution for their core small items. Professionals, commuters, travellers who prioritise small, stylish, sleek carry and organisation. Or anyone who already has a larger pouch or bag and wants a sub-pouch for those day-to-day essentials. I have a couple used in various kits and uses. Considering the build materials, the x-pac VX21, the AquaGuard zippers and the RFID blocking and overall finish, the zip pouch represents premium value in the minimalist pouch category. If you'll use it daily, it is a smart investment. The Alpaka zip pouch is essential carry done right. Slim, high quality, functional and style aware. For many everyday carry setups, especially urban, commuter and minimalist kits, it ticks a lot of boxes. If you're looking for one go-to small pouch for your core essentials, this is highly recommended. If you enjoyed this quick hit, please hit that like button and comment down below with your current pouch or wallet setup. Do you use the Alpaka zip pouch, or is there something better out there? A subscribe would be absolutely amazing. Links to the pouch are down in the description and on my kit.co page. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one, and remember, what you carry carries you.